After seconds of planning, after minutes of work, I've finally completed my bird antagonizer. This bird antagonizer is very useful for annoying birds. Let's check it out. The first part of the bird antagonizer is a very precariously set up mirror, as shown here. This is held up by cutlery and sellotape. This points towards a large amount of bird seed. Now, inside, we have another mirror set up. This mirror here, as held up by dry pasta things and Charles de Gaulle, shows an image of the other mirror. Now, when one sits in the chosen place of study, you can very clearly, although you can't in this video, see the image of the bird seed outside. Now this leads us to a very interesting situation where the birds outside are unaware of us, but we're aware of them. Now it's a simple matter of scaring them off, which is done by my patented bird claw thingy. Now, this bird claw thingy can be used to remotely open the door while sitting at your chosen study position, as shown here. As shown here. As shown. As shown. Oh. Here. Thus. Yes. I can't open the door, thus annoying the birds and ridding us of their problem forever.